like bins you can get obviously for like presents during holidays. I had ornaments in here before, but since these are kind of like fabric-y, the snowflakes I got this year, I just put them in here so they don't like bend, the white ones, and then I just put the silver ones in there to store them for next year so they're nice and safe. So I thought that would be a good idea to share with you guys if you're wondering how to store ornaments. If it's a lot, probably not effective this way, but if it's like thin stackable ornaments, this is a smart way to go.
Expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
For this year, I was so proud of myself for last year when I opened my tree box of ornaments and extra lights, and they were nicely wrapped and not tangled. So I'm going to do that again.
'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. it our broken hearts? Is it our lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And